Okay, this video will show you how to make a document in OnShape public and then share that document with me. So what you need to do is go up here to the blue share button. Once you're in, obviously, the document you want to share. It says up here, this document's private. Only users listed below can access, so we have nobody there. So that means nobody but you can see this document. Instead of adding me, I'd prefer you to make your document public. This is sort of like adding it to GrabCAD. If you remember, it was a way to see how many people like it and whatnot. So you can click here and click this button and say make public. And now you can search or type in a specific email here if you want somebody else to be able to edit it. Or you can come here, which is what I want you to do, and say link sharing and turn on link sharing. So now that means anybody that is on OnShape can view the document, and anyone with the link can view it. And what that allows you to do is share that link with me. So you're going to copy this link to clipboard, and then you'll go into Classroom and add that link to the classroom assignment. That's all you need to do to share your document with me.